This recipe video is part of a set that are designed to be used at your own pace. Pause the video and play it again when you're ready to carry on. Before you start, make sure that you are ready to cook. Tie your hair up if you have long hair and roll up your sleeves if necessary. Remove any jewellery or your watch and wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Finally, put on a clean apron. In this video, we're going to show you how to make scrambled eggs on toast on the hob. Melt the butter or spread in the small non-stick saucepan or frying pan over a low heat. Crack the eggs into the bowl and season with black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon or 15 ml of milk to the eggs and mix together with the fork. Once the butter or spread is melted, add the egg mixture to the saucepan. Stirring constantly with the wooden spoon, cook slowly until the eggs are firm. Put the bread in the toaster and toast. Once toasted, put the toast in the middle of the plate and spread the butter or spread. Spoon the cooked scrambled eggs on top of the buttered toast. And then season with a little black pepper if you'd like to. Serve your scrambled eggs on toast with reduced sugar baked beans and sliced fresh tomatoes. For more recipe videos like this, visit foodafactoflife.org.uk.